I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting right now. Open the Play Store and tap your profile icon. Go to Settings, then Network Preferences, and set Auto Update Apps to Don't Auto Update Apps so updates won't install on their own. Once done, for any app you still want pinned, open its Play Store page, tap the three-dot menu, and uncheck Enable Auto Update. This gives you granular control. This is the fastest way to stop broad automatic installs while keeping manual updates available when you want them. Once Play Store auto updates are off, tighten system-level controls to catch edge cases. Go to your device settings, right arrow Apps, right arrow Google Play Store, and restrict background data and unrestricted data usage. This prevents stealth downloads. Make your main Wi-Fi connection metered or turn on data saver so large updates won't start automatically. If you need absolute control, use a reputable firewall to block Play Store network access or opt for manual. Finish by rebooting the device and double-checking Play Store settings to confirm they stuck. If updates still happen, clear the Play Store cache and app data in Settings, right arrow Apps, right arrow Storage, then reopen Play Store and reapply the auto update preference. Make sure no device policy or work profile enforces updates. If it does, you'll need to contact the administrator. One key troubleshooting tip: if Google Play services or system updates continue, those are handled by Google and may not be fully stoppable without root. Manage them by limiting network access instead.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.